How would you describe your approach to patient care?
I would describe my approach to patient care as something called co-diagnosis. I believe in educating my patients and us coming to a decision on what treatment they have after talking about different options. So I would say that it's mostly a co-diagnostic type of treatment planning.
What's something patients might be surprised to learn about you?
That I had hair at one point? Probably that I am a neat freak sometimes, but if you saw my office, it looks like a bomb goes off.
What do you enjoy doing outside the clinic?
Well, I love spending time with my children and my wife, and I love to travel. And as many of you know, I am a sports junkie. I love my Premier League soccer. I love my NHL. I love my NBA. I love my golf. My wife would say every sport under the sun. But I like spending time watching it with my kids. They don't seem to want to play as much as I would like them to, but when I'm not here, yeah, I'm usually doing a lot of sports stuff. And of course, and also my wife would say I have terrible taste in TV, so I like anything that doesn't make me think.
If you weren't a dentist, what career would you have pursued?
I don't know. I think if you'd asked me when I was 10 years old, I would have told you I'd been in the NHL, but I didn't grow tall enough, so that deal ended. I think I would be a radio talk show host. I love talking about sports and all kinds of things. I would love to have a podcast if I had time, but I think that would be, and I think that's something I think I'd see myself doing.
What's your favorite local restaurant or go-to lunch spots?
I love all food. I love all types of different foods, but my favorite is probably, I love this place called Matahari Grill in downtown Toronto, which I don't know if it's not there anymore. So, I like lots. I like every restaurant.
What is your favorite local restaurant or go-to lunch spot?
Well, here in St. George, the big metropolis of St. George, we actually have a fair bit. My favorites are Dragowski sandwiches, and I love the Dragon. And then the Arms is always good too. So those would be my three that I love to go to.
What is your proudest moment as a dentist so far?
I think for me, the proudest moment as a dentist is being in one spot. It'll be 20 years here in St. George in January. I think when I came here, I was a kid, and we were a very small office. And the proudest thing I've done is I've been here for 20 years, and the two of the team members, Jackie and Jen, who were here when I got here, are still here.
What is one thing you always try to do during an appointment?
Well, as everyone would tell you, especially my team, that I talk a lot. So I often try to learn something from whoever is in my chair at the time. And it's unbelievable how much I don't know about so many other things. Like every patient that comes in has what they're passionate about or what their career is. And from that, I'll ask questions like, I don't know about foundations of houses. I don't know about things around my house, and I'll ask my patients, and they often will tell me, and I've actually followed up on a lot of the advice they've given me, and it's been because I was not exposed to any of that. So that's one thing I always do, is try to learn something.
If you could tell every patient one thing, what would it be?
Every patient in my office, I'd love to say thank you, because dentistry has given me a great life, and I couldn't have asked for anything more.